Hello friends, Stan Copeland coming to you. Scene number 7 I think it is from Mr. Bill's onion patch, and I've probably picked 300 or 400 onions in about 45 minutes. They are really beautiful and mature. It's Good Friday. The last time I came to you I think I said this was going to be the day, and just look at these onions. You come through here, you pick these onions every other one, and they are just beautiful. Now you can see I've got more to pick on this row. I want to show you how mature they're getting. Isn't that nice? Looky here. Some of these onions are already starting to flatten out and get a nice bulb on them. And we're going to have plenty of these onions down at the Stillwater Farm Market store today. A little overcast, but beautiful, comfortable temperature, and it's good to be in Mr. Bill's onion patch. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.